again, Deborah Welsh here. Another little short video clip to help you with your bodyweight exercises. This one we've only got two. We're going to do high knees and its alternatives, and then we're going to do prone run and the alternatives that you might need to do for that. So high knees, dead self-explanatory. You're just going to be jogging on the spot, but instead of bringing your heels up behind, I want your knees up in front. So you're going to look a little bit like this, knees up, steady as you can to begin with, and then if you can, increase your speed as quickly as possible. You're aiming to bring your knees up as high as your hips, push and pull your arms so you utilise your upper back, and you need to draw your tummy in tight. And that should increase your heart rate quite quickly. So you're using your hip flexors mainly to lift your knee, pull your abdominals in as tight as you can, push and pull your arms so that you use your upper back as well. And that's very good for your body cardiovascular wise. Alternatives, you don't want the impact. If you're brand new, all you might need to do is lift your knees up and lift your arms above your head. So once your arms have gone above your head, everything's going to feel more difficult anyway. So if even this feels too much, just do a basic knee lift. But try to bring your knee as high as you can and go to speed. So nice deep breaths. So you've got your quick knee lifts, and you could even, in between them, if the high knee lifts are too much, but this is a little bit too easy, you could bring them up and just bring them as high as you possibly can. Still with some movement through your back, through your arms. So that's another one. So you've got three alternatives to the high knee combination. Okay, and then the next one, same principle, but we're doing it on the floor. So hands narrow, hands forward facing, shoulders are back, and we're here. And the top level, you're trying to bring your knee to your elbow, and you're just going to run as quick as you can, making sure your shoulders stay over your wrists, so you're not forward. As soon as you feel it in your wrist, it means that you've gone a bit tired and you're forward flexing. So we're here and we're just running the knees in. If that's too much, stay here and just walk. This will then turn it, you'll feel this more into your abdominals. Just walk your knees in, and if this feels too much, do as many as you can, then rest. Then come up again, many as you can, and then rest. So your stability is needed in your shoulders. Try not to allow your shoulders to fall forward, so squeeze your shoulder blades together, utilising your abdominals in the front of your stomach to maintain a nice straight body to prevent your back arching. And then your aim is to bring your knee and your elbow as close together as quickly as you can. Okay, so they're the two for your high knees and your prone pull. Thank you.